Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is your daily 5-minute tour update for Bitcoin. Today we will make a little longer video, not 5 minutes, but maybe 10 minutes. I will hurry, I promise. Guys, let's go. System activated. So let's check what's going on with Bitcoin. You can see Bitcoin here is going up a little bit in 24 hours, 3.5%, but in the week Bitcoin is going down 8.3%. You can see it here on the right side. We have a really bad chart picture. It's going down here. Ethereum is going up a little bit, 4.8%, a little bit more as Bitcoin on the day, and down 7.5%, a little bit, not so much as Bitcoin. Very interesting. The Binance coin is going up with 5%, but it's going down 6.7% in 7 days. Solana is going up with 7% for the day, a nice pump, and all other coins are going up here a little bit. You can see it, XRP, Polkadot, Dogecoin, Shiba is going up 12%. Avalanche 17%, so the most coins are going up and most coins are going more up as Bitcoin. 24 hours, the biggest winner is IMX, Avalanche, and Phantom is going up really nice. The biggest loser is Mana, decentralized Mana, Curved going down, and the Sandbox is also going down. In 7 days we have a nice winner. Wheelers is going up with 75%, damn. Wax is going up with 52% and Crypto.com is going up with 46%. Okay, guys, the dominance for Bitcoin, 42.4. Ethereum is going up with the dominance, 19.5. And now let's check what is telling us here. What is telling us Tradingfees? What should we do on the greater time frame? On the 1 day, you can see it. We have here a neutral. Really interesting. Guys, you know it if you're watching my videos on the 1 day. Most times we see here buy, buy, buy. Now we have a neutral. The moving averages are telling us we should sell on the 1 day and the oscillators are telling us buy. The week is telling us we should buy. So the greater time frame is telling us we should buy, but on the day we are neutral. The 4 hours sell, the 2 hours throw away your Bitcoin, and the 1 hour, the little time frame, is going on a buy. So okay, let's move on, guys. Let's check the pattern. My last video was really interesting, was a nice short opportunity for you. I hope you shorted Bitcoin and you make now nice gains to the downside. Because guys, look at this. On the week, we have the Doge star. It's a bearish reversal. It's about for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. We saw this. After this, it's a medium reliability to go down for Bitcoin. And after this, yes, we're going down. Let's check the 1 day. On the 1 day, I told you, attention guys, 3 outside down bearish pattern. I showed you exactly how to trade this pattern, how to short this pattern, and what happened, it was a perfect short. The next one is the 5 hour, and also on the 5 hour, look at this one here. We have here a shooting star. This is this one here on the downside. Can you see it here? Yes, you can see it. A shooting star gap, a bearish reversal. Low reliability, but bearish. Here, deliberation bearish, a medium reliability. So we have here a lot of bearish patterns, guys, and this in the short time frame and also in the long time frame. So we need to stay attention about this, guys. Now let's check our chart picture. What's going on here? Okay, here is Tradingfees and here is the daily time frame, guys. You can see it, a big nice green uptrend. We are still in the uptrend, but we lost the middle line. You can see it here, this blue line, we lost it completely and we're going down. The next thing is, guys, where is the next buy opportunity? Where is the next thing you should end your short position? Guys, I can show you the next big things. First of all, let me show you this one here. Look at this point, guys. Let me make here a drawing. You can see this was a really bad rejection to the downside. And in my opinion, this is one of the biggest things we have to watch for the moment. So let's make from this side, from the left side to the right side, and like this here, a big support area. And you can see, okay, Bitcoin reacted here on really oftentimes here. You can see it here. Here was a rejection. We broke up. Here was a rejection with the spike. Here again, guys, so many times here again, we saw a rejection on this point. So you can see, what is this price? This price is, let me check it for you, 52,800. One of the biggest supports to the downside. So guys, if you are in a short position, as I showed you this on my last video, attention, attention, watch 52,800. The biggest thing to the downside, in my opinion. Guys, the next thing, if we will fall down, what we have to watch is, let me zoom in here on the daily. So here you can see this one here. This is the Fibonacci, 0.382 Fibonacci at 53,700. This is the next big support to the downside, guys. We have a lot of support to the downside, but we need to watch it. Okay, now let's check the next stuff, guys. Let's go in a little bit more in the 4-hour time frame. So here is the 4-hour time frame. Let's zoom out a little bit. What can we see here? Yes, the nice green parallel channel to the upside, and this one, the red parallel channel to the downside. You can see it. We broke it here to the downside, and we made a new little parallel channel to the downside. What happened? We broke it here again to the upside. So we are now back again in the parallel channel to the upside. And now let's remove this stuff and let's move this one to this one. You can see now, guys, you are in this parallel channel, in this little one. Yes, the great parallel channel is working. The weekly time frame, the bullish one, is working. But we are going down on the short time frame here more and more and more. And you can also see the middle line. You know it, guys. I'm trading really often the middle line. This middle line is here now, the big resistance. And this was the bottom. Now we are going up to the upside. And what can happen now, guys? Yes, it's not so, it's really easy, guys, to tell you. This one here, if we can go on here to this point, 59,000 maybe, this is the next big resistance point. So it was nice to short here. It was a perfect point here on the bottom. You saw the first green candles to close the short and to make a new buy position, guys. It's a really easy thing if you are trading like this, guys. Okay, let's move on here. We showed you this one here. You don't need this one here. And yeah, the next thing, guys, if we are trying to read the future here a little bit, let me show a little bit in the future here. Here's the 4-hour time frame. What if we are building now a shoulder ahead, maybe here the next shoulder, this would be an inverse shoulder head shoulder. I know it's really early for this target, guys, but maybe if this can happen, we may go up here to this point here, fight a little bit, and down to the next point here, this right shoulder, fight a little bit, and then breaking to the upside. This is a scenario for a future. And it's maybe possible, but guys, it's really magic glass reading. So be prepared for this. If it's maybe be a next inverse shoulder head shoulder, we have maybe here the trend line 60,000, maybe now up to 60,000, down again, right shoulder maybe down to 57,000, up again. You can see it maybe here to this point. This is the Fibonacci. Why not 60,000? Great fight. And after this, maybe we can break out to the upside. Okay, it's 1 point, but all in all, guys, I'm not bullish for the moment. I'm not really bullish for the moment because of this bearish pattern. We have so much bearish pattern, and this is not making me really bullish, guys. Okay, let's move on. Let's check on the 4-hour time frame. What is telling us? Before we start the 4-hour? Let's go out in the 1 day again. Let's check here the indicators. What are telling us? Ichimoku. And now this is really interesting, guys. You can see it here. The red line. Yes, you can see it here. The red line. The blue line is here on the upside. It's the next big resistance. And for the moment, the Ichimoku, the blue line, is on a price about here 60,100. That's the big resistance to the upside. Okay, that's the Ichimoku. Let's check the next thing. What is going on with the ribbon band? This is really important. And let's check it. Sorry, that's the wrong part. Indicator. Here we are. EMA ribbon band. So here we are. Let's zoom out a little bit. What is going on here, guys? One thing, we have still a green ribbon band. Okay, you can see it here. But the bad stuff is, guys, we lost this ribbon band as a support. We saw a confirmed closing candle here on the downside, and now we are fighting here on this point with the last line. We are fighting for the entry to the ribbon band, guys. This would be really important. We need now confirmed closing candles in the ribbon band for more push to the upside. And for the moment, we have a price about 58,500.00, really nice price. And we need to see a confirmed closing candle, 17 hours to close this candle. So it's possible to go down more and more. Yes. But we need a confirmed closing candle. This would be the next bullish stuff. But guys, remember, I'm not really bullish for the moment. So what's going on with the MACD? We will check this also. And here's the MACD on the downside. Okay, guys, I don't need to say anything here to you. Bearish. Clearly bearish. Let's go in the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame. And that's nice, guys. We saw here on the MACD, you can see it here, a bullish cross. So we are bullish now on the 4-hour. The blue line is over the brown line. And if we are watching this here on this point, you can see with this candle here, this one, the MACD crossed into a bullish one, and we are buying now the first green candles. Nice. That's nice on the 4-hour time frame. Bad drawings, Biti, so bad drawings. But guys, you know what I mean with this right shoulder. Okay, we have to check now the ribbon band, and you can see, okay, on the 4-hour, we are fighting here with the ribbon band. So yes, a lot of resistance here. You can see this red line, you can see the ribbon band here. Here's the EMA 200. Oh damn, so much resistance, not nice. What is going on with the 1-hour time frame? On the 1-hour time frame, we are bullish. Remember, here, oscillators, buy. Summary, buy for trading view. Moving averages, buy. On the 1-hour, if you're checking this one here, yes, we have the ribbon band now as a nice support here to the downside. You can see it, we broke through completely. Confirmed closing candle, nice. MACD, blue line over the brown line, bullish, nice. And now, here, a lot of resistance. You can see it here. This green one is now a red one. We have to make it red. So this is a lot of resistance to the upside now. The Fibonacci line, this one, 59,600, big resistance. Middle line here and here and here. Oh my God. EMA 200. Oh my God. Okay, guys, you know it. A lot of resistance to the upside. A lot of resistance here to the upside. Okay, guys, that's it for the moment. That's the short update for you. Today, 12 minutes, but today a lot of stuff to talk about, And I showed you what's really important for the moment for Bitcoin here. Where are it, guys, last but not least, where are now the big targets? Let me show you this one on the 1-hour time frame. Yes, to the upside, I showed you here is a big resistance, 59,000. Maybe if you are in a long position, attention, maybe take profit here a little bit or set a nice stop loss here. We have the ribbon band, okay, but on the 1-hour, the ribbon band is not the most important thing. 60,000 here is the next big thing. Also here, 59,600 is the next big thing. Here is 60,000. This line is coming down here. The blue line is also one. And here is also 60,800. Depends always where we'll hit the line. Maybe 61,000. A big resistance one, this blue one. To the upside, a lot of resistance. If we will fall down from here again, guys, if we will here fall down to the next thing, yes, here are important points. You can see it here. These points are really important. We have here, first of all, if you're going down, maybe on a point like this, 53,700. Yes, that's the Fibonacci, 0.382. A really important point. If we will go down more, the next big support to the downside is this green area here on the downside. And this is 52,800, one of the biggest thing. You know the targets to the upside, you know the targets to the downside. Guys, I wish you the best of luck. It doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short. I wish you make millions with your trades. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. Thanks for every time to the upside. Thanks for every comment. Have a nice time. Visit my live stream, Bitcoin Trading Informant. Visit me on Instagram, TikTok, all over the world. I am online everywhere. If you have questions, please ask me. And guys, now Bitcoin is over the analysis, but here is something I have to make for Rudy. Rudy asked me in German, he's in Doge and his liquid price is on 28.99, 29. And he asked me, Biti, is it possible to reach this point for Doge? So let me show you, especially for you, Rudy, here the Doge. And I made a nice Doge video for about some days. Please watch it, guys, if you are trading Doge. And you can see here on Doge, we had a triangle, this one here. This is the 4-hour time frame. And this triangle broke out here to the upside. I show you the target. The technical target is on 0.49 cent, 49 cent. And I traded this as a nice breakout here on this point. But I made a stop loss position. As I told you guys, if we will break down again under this line, I'm out of the trade. So I made a little minus here. I was out of the trade. It broke out again, down again. So what's going on now with this pattern? Yes, Rudy, you can see it here. This line here, and this is the thing I think you are watching for, 0.219. So 29 cent is the next Fibonacci to the upside. And in my opinion, As long as this line here on the downside is holding, it's a nice support, a green support line. As long as this line here is holding, it's really possible to pump from here to the upside. Depends now on Bitcoin, on the altcoins, what's going on here. But I think it's possible to pump from here. And I think maybe we will see once again 22 cents. It's possible. And then the next pump to the upside, 29 cents. So Rudy, I think it's really, really possible to pump up to the upside. The one stuff, what's very important, we are making lower highs. That's very bad for Doge. If you are in a long position, you can see it here, 35 cents. You can see this point here was on 33, 34 cents, not a higher high. That's really dangerous. So we are going down. But on the downside, we are making higher lows. And in my opinion, as long as we are making higher lows, everything is okay. This was a little dangerous here because we made here this point here at 21 cent 5. This was really dangerous. It was a little bit under this really, really important support line. But guys, let's check it. You can see it here. It was a little spike down. It was this point here, a little spike to the downside. After this, a nice pump. So what do we need now for Doge, guys? We need really, really clear here higher highs. Really important. This is the next big resistance to the upside. If we can move on with Doge here, maybe on a point like this here, we have here a next big resistance. The next big resistance is on a point about 24 cents, depends always where we'll hit the line. And then if we can break out over here, if Bitcoin is working to the upside, I don't think so, because Bitcoin is not ultra bullish, I showed you. Maybe we can go up from here to the upside, here to this point. And Rudy, here is 29 cents, and it's possible, in my opinion, to reach it. It's not a higher high, so why not to reach 29 cents? After this, it's also really possible to go down here again. So guys, this is it. This is a little update for Doge and the bigger update for Bitcoin. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings, yours Bitcoin, and special greetings to Rudy. Bye-bye, guys.
System activated.